Greetings from the Sunshine State. Today I will be experimenting again. I've decided to try a type of flower pour. It's inspired by Fiona art, but I'm unable to get her ingredients because she lives in Slovenia. For my base I used 4 parts American Floetrol to 1 part acrylic binder by Earth Pigments that I've had for a while. And then I mixed that 2 parts of the base with 1 part paint. And these are the colors I chose for my flower today. Modern Masters Venetian Blue metallic paint, Artist Loft Yellow soft body, and then for the pearl effect that Fiona uses, I'm using the Artist Loft White mixed with the Vallejo Pearl Medium. Excuse the dirty label, I tried to clean it and it started to come off. So this is 1 part paint to 1 part pearlescent medium. And then that is mixed with 2 parts of the base. So all my paints are mixed 2 parts base, pouring medium, and 1 part paint. And I'm going to apply a base coat that consists of the this base with my colors, a mixture of Artist Loft Blue and Artist Loft Black to get this rich navy blue color. So I have my base down and I had some left over, so I put it in a bottle and decided to use it as part of my pour. So I'll alternate it with the other blue. They're different shades. So this is a 10-sided flower cup, and I'll just put it right in the center. I can still see the record label underneath. And I'm going to start with the pearl white. And then this is the Venetian Blue. Pearl white. Here I'm using a wooden skewer to create more flower petal designs. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. Here I'm using a pipette to siphon off the excess paint that has accumulated in the middle. Since I'm using the reverse dip flower technique, I'm preparing a paper napkin or serviette by spritzing it with water. And I'm folding it in half, and then I'll place it on the LP record. I'm trying to center the flower in the middle of the record without distorting it, but not much I can do at this point. So I'm placing the napkin in the center of the record and folding the rest of the half over. And now I'm lightly tapping to make sure that the paint has contact with the napkin underneath. But you have to do it very lightly so that you don't squish it. And now I'm lifting the four corners, but still keeping the napkin on the surface of the LP. I think Fiona uses a larger serviette, but I was unable to find a larger one than this. And I'm doing what she does. She finds the hidden corners and then pulls up those corners. I'm gathering it up, trying not to distort what's underneath, and then lifting it straight up slowly. Ta-da! Glad there's some reaction going on here, some lacing, because I didn't see it before I put the napkin down. Now, using a culinary butane torch, I'm going to torch the surface to eliminate air bubbles. So to spin or not to spin? That is the question. While I contemplate that, I'll just fix up the edges where some of the paint was lifted by the napkin. I think the paint will level itself off, but I'm trying to help it out a bit. It's so easy to get to the surface of the old pour. So what do you think? A little spin? Very gentle one. Stretch it out. I don't want to distort it. Okay, you can stop spinning. No, don't spin anymore. Oh no, she's going on and on and on. Uh-oh. Don't! Uh-oh. If I do it anymore, then I'll lose this end. It wasn't quite on center, even though I started out in the center. So I think I'll leave it that way, and hopefully it won't run over when it dries if it keeps spreading. But it is very pretty. A close-up. It's starting to look 3D, which is the effect I wanted to get. Beautiful lacing on the edges of the petals. I'm glad I added that second blue, the base color, because it adds some contrast. It gives it the depth it needed. So I think this is the best one I've done yet. So that base pouring medium, I should say, I think is working. I just turned the light off to get a glimpse of it without the glare. It's looking better by the second, as long as it doesn't pour off the edge. So that's it for today. Have a good day. And here it is a couple days later, almost dry. It didn't move, it didn't shift, it didn't distort, it didn't go wonky on me. Hooray! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.